Some homes only check a few boxes, but this estate-sized home checks them all. This home is only minutes from the best things the city has to offer. From shopping, top-rated schools, and the beautiful Moss Rock Preserve, this is the perfect place to settle down and raise a family. This home redefines spacious, offering plenty of room to relax, entertain, and grow without compromise. Are you ready to see this home? Then send me a message and let's get started.